Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best tools for maintaining your lawn, the Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard DLX Broadcast Spreader. If you're serious about keeping your grass healthy and vibrant, this spreader might just be your new best friend. The Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard DLX is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Whether you're spreading seed, fertilizer, salt, or ice melt, this tool is up to the task. It's perfect for covering large areas, holding up to 15,000 square feet of product, which means fewer refills and more time enjoying your lawn. One of the standout features of the DLX model is Scott's exclusive EdgeGuard technology. This innovative design ensures that the product stays precisely where you want it, on your lawn, and not on your driveway or flower beds. It's a game changer for preventing waste and keeping your application neat and tidy. In terms of performance, this spreader is top-notch. It comes pre-calibrated and ready to use, so there's no complicated setup required. The redesigned hopper and agitator ensure smooth operation and consistent coverage, giving you peace of mind that every inch of your lawn gets the treatment it needs. To wrap it up, if you're looking to step up your lawn care game, the Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard DLX Broadcast Spreader is a must-have. It's efficient, easy to use, and designed to give your lawn the care it deserves. With its impressive features and stellar customer reviews, it's clear why this is considered one of the best turf builder spreaders on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. Drop your comments below if you've used this spreader or have any questions. Until next time, happy gardening!